how to make a frame in Heygen. If you want to make a mobile frame or a PC frame for your videos, like the one you see here, this video is for you. I add the link you need in the description. Click and get started. Now, here I will choose a simple template and show you how you can put your desired video or image in a frame. For example, I choose this template here. Well, I have 2 slides here, and I want to add a type of frame for each of them. To add a frame, click on the element option in the left menu. There are many options here that you have to click on frame option. As you can see in this section, there are various frames for mobile and PC that you can choose any one you want. For the first slide, I choose a mobile frame like this. Click on it. Well, as you can see, you can resize it or move it wherever you want. Now I want to add a video to this frame. So I click on the video section on this bar. Here, you can search for the video you want to add. Now here I search for this word, and I choose the one I want from among the videos. Click on it. Okay, now just click on this video and drag it into the frame as you see it. So easy. As you can see, part of the left and right part of this video has been deleted because this video is horizontal, but this frame is vertical. Therefore, the extra parts will definitely be removed from the frame, and only the middle part of this video will be displayed. Now, we choose a horizontal frame for the next slide. For example, a PC or laptop frame. I enter the frame section again. This is good. I choose this. And now I have to choose another video for this frame. I am just telling you how to work with it, and you can add your favorite design here. This is good. Another way to add video to the frame is to click the photo or video you want and drag it into the frame. Exactly as you see in the picture. Working with Heygen is really interesting. I am very comfortable with it. Now here, as you can see, because this frame was vertical, it displays the entire video. Because our video is vertical and there is no interference here. And now I want to tell you one more thing. You may have a video with your mobile phone or a screen record with your system and want to transfer it here and display it inside the frame. Let me add a frame in this slide. And now, to upload that file from the system in Heygen, click on the Assets option in the left menu. Now click on this Upload Asset option and select the file you want. As you can see, I have selected a file here. Depending on the size of your file, this upload may take a few seconds. It was very easy, right? Now, just drag the video or photo into the desired frame as before. The link you may need is in the description. Now, let's take a look at this video we made together.
How you can add frame in Heygen.
You can add any frame you want. Laptop, mobile, PC, and etc.
I upload many tutorials in this channel. If this video helped you, please like it. Thank you.